How to link PayPal account to Cash App. In this video, I'll show you how you can link your PayPal to your Cash App account. So without any further delay, let's just jump right in. Before we get started, you need to know that there is no direct way to connect these two sites. So what you can do here instead is go ahead and link your bank accounts. So I'll just show you guys quickly here. So first thing you need to do is you cannot directly link your PayPal account to Cash App. So what you need to do instead is transfer your fund or money from your PayPal to a linked bank account and then add that money to your Cash App balance as well. First, you can link your bank account to PayPal if you haven't already. Then you can withdraw from that bank account and add it to the bank account on your Cash App. So basically, go to your PayPal wallet and link a card or bank account. Then search for the bank and select it, enter your details. Then you can transfer your money from PayPal to your bank account. Tap on transfer and then select your transfer bank option. Then you can choose between instant transfer or a standard transfer. Then you can easily add your money from your bank to Cash App. So you can use bank as a medium, which is connected to both of your account, your Cash App, as well as your PayPal account, and you can transfer your money via that bank account. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.